So 20 is done, 21 and 22 also. So now we gonna do 23. So I have to put one rubber also here in it. So I take this and I push it in it because we need it in the back of it. So the two are done. All we need is the long ones, not the short. So the long ones. So this one comes like this, and this one like this. I need to grease this, so I'm going to use marine grease. $24, and we need all, and $25, and we need all this stuff. Two. We need these two, this also, two of this. We need just two of it, some, not this, oh yeah, this one, two, yeah, and this one, B13. Oh yeah, I think 12 and 13, these two pieces we need. So you have 24 and 24 here, so you have the hitch and the low, so you can choose to put your car high or low. But I chose for low, so I'm going to do this setup because I did off camera on this side, so I'm going to do it on the other side to show you. And that's done. So suspension rear is done. So now 25 I did just so now is 26. Yeah, 26 and 27. So we need now the package D. I got it here, and I got the pieces that I need also to do the front. I'm done with 26 and 27. we have to go to 30 to make the suspension, but that you see it before. So we're going to go to 31 and then 32. And then you have to clips the servo arm here up, so done with the front bumper and with this for the body. So now we're going to start with 33, 34, and after that is it electronic. But first we're gonna do this with the motor. So So the body clips, they're gonna make some damage on the body. So I take this foam thing you got with your kit, I make some holes in it with perforator. You make your holes in it, and then you can cut it also who you want it. And you can glue it on the body. So I'm gonna try to do it here on this one. So that will be protect a little bit, I think. Put it there. So, and this one here. So that's done. Body's on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to like. Put your comments down below whether you think about this build. Yeah, are you new on this channel? Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos of RCVHX22. Don't forget to put the notification bell on it too, so you will always see my new videos coming. So now I'm going to do some shots in the garage for you. All it's supposed to